Christine from Pack Hacker. In this video, we're taking a look at the Well-Traveled Luggage Packing Cubes Deluxe set, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. Let's dive in. So these packing cubes are made with twill material. Not quite sure if it's nylon or polyester. It is a little like crunchy, but it is very flexible, and as you can see, it does wrap nicely around your clothing, especially like this one. You can see I've really stuffed it full and used the compression zipper to sort of cinch it down. So it does really well for that. We've got the Well-Traveled Luggage logo at the top, and then each one of the packing cubes has this little mesh slot where you can either slide in a label to tell you, like, I have underwear in one of these, socks and underwear in one, and t-shirts in the other, but you can see they're the same size. These are both small packing cubes, so it'd be nice to know which one is which. I have a feeling I know which one is which, but anywho, you could do that. Or if you're going to be like staying at a hostel, or maybe you are planning to, put an outfit in here and hit the pool one more time before you fly out, and so you're afraid you might leave it somewhere, you can also stick your contact information in there. Anyways, you can put a label in there or not, up to you, whichever. All of the cubes, again, have these nice webbing handles, so you can carry them with you, and it also makes it easier to pull out of like a travel backpack, since they're sort of slippery to just grab. And then we have SBS zippers, which have these cords and plastic grippy pulls. They work really well, especially even the compression zipper. I had no issue compressing these, which was really nice. Even though it's sort of thick material, it doesn't get stuck in the compression zipper, which is awesome, and I've had happen with other ones. They come in two different, you can either get an 8-piece set or a 4-piece set. Either way, you're gonna get one small, one large, and one, where'd it go? Medium. Nope, that's a large. Medium, sorry, and a shoe pouch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You also get 2 accessory pouches and double of a couple of the other ones if you choose the 8-piece set. So the inside of these cubes looks a lot like the outside. There's no extra liner or anything. You can see all the seams. You can see several loose threads, which there are kind of all over these packing cubes. However, they are very nice budget options, so it's not super surprising to see, and I haven't had any issues with things unraveling or anything. It just looks like they didn't clean things up at the end of the stitching. So there's that. What you see is kind of what you get. But you can see, like, it's the same material that gets compressed inside when you do the compression zipper, but it really just doesn't get caught, and it doesn't take up near as much room as something with like more premium material, so that's kind of nice. Now, as for what fits in each, frankly, I thought these accessory pouches were like the smallest packing cube, and I was able to fit socks and underwear for like a 3 to 5 day trip in here, no problem. Now, they don't have compression, but still, like, this is the size of a lot of different brands' small packing cubes, so it really works well for that. Otherwise, you could use it for toiletries, tech, and of course or miscellaneous items. That's of course why they don't have compression, because if you're putting gear in here, you're not going to compress it like you would clothing, okay? Otherwise, like I said, I fit a week's worth of socks and underwear in the smallest packing cube and had zero problem compressing it down, even when I fully packed it out. Like, I fully packed it out, and you can see, same thing. This is the one I put my tops in, t-shirts and a bathing suit, and I really stuffed it trying to make it hard, and I was still able to zip it up quite easily. So it's really great for that. And then we've got the large. So with the 8-piece set, you get 2 smalls, 2 larges, 1 medium, and 2 accessory pouches plus the shoe pouch, which I'll get to in a second. Oh, sorry, that was the compression zipper. That is the one thing, all the zippers look the same, so it's very easy to open up the wrong one, but you get the hang of it. So in the large, you can see I've got pants, I've got sweatshirts, and so that it works out really well for that. I kind of feel like I didn't have a good use for the medium. Like maybe if you wanted to pack outfits together, or if you had shorts or something, I think the medium would come in handy, but I really got away with basically using 2 smalls and a large with no issues to have a week's worth of clothing. And then we have this pouch, which is either for shoes or dirty laundry, they say. I've got 2 pairs of sandals in here, a big pair of men's Tevas and a smaller pair of women's sandals. But you see, I still have a ton of room left over. So that takes up a lot of bulk that is not so great. And then you could use it for dirty laundry, in which case you'd probably really fill it. But then, you know, if you have everything nice and neatly cinched and all packed like perfect Tetris going on vacation, if you just shove it in a laundry bag coming home, you're gonna run out of space, so I don't really love it for that. So it's like, for shoes, this is good. I just wish it didn't maybe have so much leftover material. However, if you were wanting to bring like hiking boots or something bigger, I guess it'd be nice to have a lot of extra material. So if you are looking for sort of a budget entryway into packing cubes, these definitely are, it's a good entry set, especially like if you are buying for a family, you can sort of mix and match and share between each other. Otherwise, I think you can probably get away with a 4-piece set, because those accessory pouches, I could live without them, and I probably only need 1 of each size. But this all depends on your specific needs and what you think you will be using them for. So there you have it, the Well-Traveled Luggage Packing Cubes Deluxe Set. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.